guys, let's get straight into the video. So before we move on further, subscribe to this channel. If you have done that, now let's move on. So after cleansing and toning, I'm using OMG from Ollie. This is the Pure Gold Skin Transforming Serum, which will give you instant glow and softness to the skin. On regular use as skincare, it can also reduce the hyperpigmentation and brightens the complexion. Wow! Love it, love it! So I'm massaging this into the skin really well. So if you're doing any natural makeup, one thing to keep in mind is you have to prep your skin really well. Now next up, I'm going up with the Power of C, the Ultimate Vitamin C Serum. This is watery in texture. And this is going to give you the glossiness and also tightens the pores. And perfect base for makeup. It is also super hydrating. These are skincare products which are going to give you that glossy finish. So let the products settle down into the skin. Ooh, look at that glow. Next, going up with the eye cream, which is from Estee Lauder Night Repair Cream. We always forget our eyes, but here we are not. And give a quick 2 seconds massage with your ring finger. Now the skin is very well hydrated. Next, going up with the Becca Skin Love Primer. Mainly applying this on the inner side of the face, which is on nose and in the inner of the cheeks and T-zone. If you have open pores, then hi, same here. As my skin is ready now, going up with the foundation, which is from MAC NC35, which is a little darker to my skin tone, but if you have exact matching foundation shade, then that's great, but this is what I had. And not forgetting the neck, with the wet beauty blender blending all in. Using a beauty blender for this look is going to give you that natural finish. And plus, if you have the exact matching foundation, then it's going to work perfect. And take your time and blend it in all really well. The MAC Studio Fix foundations are not lightweight. They are medium to buildable. Why I'm saying is because can you see that glow? So instead of the orange corrector, I'm using the same MAC foundation under my eyes. And with that said, I have not done anything to eyes in this tutorial. For that, you have to watch the next tutorial, which is coming up, because that is even more fun. Because I have tried the Kylie winged liner and Kylie lips. Oh, so that is very interesting. So do hop on to that video. It's just a fun tutorial. Alright, coming back to this, so blend, blend, blend and make it seamless. So for contour, I'm using NC45. Yes, pretty dark from the 35. Yes, there you can see the difference. For this look, I'm not using powder-based products because you want that glow from within, right? And now I'm doing the KKW Contour 3. And with the beauty blender, blending it well. Wow, now this is really looking natural. For blush, I'm using MAC liquid lipstick. Now, if you use any liquid lipstick, make sure you blend it real quick because the liquid lipstick can dry out real quick and leave a stain. Now, this is gonna look like your natural pink cheeks. You can also use your fingers to blend this out. Now you know what's happening. Now here's the trick. You're also adding a tint to your nose, forehead and chin. Don't worry, it's all gonna look natural. Woo! Eyebrows done! Next, going up with the MAC Strobe Cream. This is totally optional. Also blend this really well. You can also add the power of C onto the high points. That is also going to give you that glossiness. And yes, don't forget to blend that pinky forehead. Next, going up with the Becca translucent powder. Correcting the outlines of contour. And taking very lightly and setting all over the face. Under the eyes, very nicely. To catch up the eye look, you have to hop on to the next tutorial. So see you there. If you like this tutorial, don't forget to give a thumbs up or thumbs down. And thank you so much for watching.